how to combine different rap styles in one song. Different rap styles will use like different cadences. And so learn those patterns, learn those cadences, and be able to rap them over different types of instrumentals. Step 2 is when you're going from very drastic different cadence patterns, you typically don't just jump right from one into the other. Depending on how drastic of a difference it is, there may be a period where you have to kind of transition from one into the other. It really depends on the type of cadence pattern you're doing. I actually just dropped a song recently. It's called Foot on the Gas. And I use quite a few different cadence patterns in there. In the verse 1, there's a part where I'm rapping very, very similar to one of my favorite rap groups from back in the day, Bone Thugs and Harmony. And there's a moment in there where I'm really rapping like them, but I don't rap like that throughout the entirety of the song. It's just during that one section of the song.
It's about to get hot, so they cop back fast and let it fly. Empty the clip and then reload it quicker till they succumb to the fire. Working late nights, early mornings, trying to keep it alive.
I transition in and out of it really smooth. And I think that's the main thing, is like to focus on that aspect of the different styles that you're doing. If you're doing them in close proximity with each other, how does it feel? Does it feel jarring or not? If it does, then you probably need to work on that transition. So like just a couple of quick tips on how to transition from one cadence into another cadence pattern is sometimes you just need to pause in between them so you don't just go directly from one into the other. Another one is you can change something about the cadence pattern you're about to go out of. So like, let's say you add something to it at the very end of it, leading into the next bar, or you do the opposite. You actually remove something from it and pull away, and that kind of gives you a little bit of a break before you go into that next one. So step 1, learn the cadence, be able to rap that over different instrumentals, and then focus on the transitions between those two different patterns. And if you want to level up your rap skills, grab the Rap Essentials bundle, which has 3 free rap courses packed with all the core lessons you need to perfect your craft. And the best part, it's 100% free. Just hit that link in my profile like it stole something from you to get instant access.
You hit me!